On the left is the Python shell. I know this because I see the command prompts. We don't want to be coding in this shell. What we want to do is we want to code in the editor. And how we open the editor is we click File, New Window, and then the editor will open. In this case, I already have a document open in the editor, and that's hello.py. This way we can go back and we can edit code. We can also run the code from this location. When I'm ready to submit my code, I make sure that my code is saved. I go to the location where my code is saved. I right click, I click Send to, I click Compressed Zipped Folder, and it will zip all the file together. If I need to zip more than one file to send, I will use Control click and click both of them, right click, Send to, Compress Zip Folder, and it's going to compress everything into one folder. Then I'm ready to submit to my assignment folder. So I go into the course content and I submit.